what do you think is most painful nowadays? Because we are taking environment for granted. So what do you think that one thing that is very painful that you feel that people should change?
Oh, the one thing that drives me absolutely crazy, and I always speak out when I see this, is when I see somebody throw trash on the ground. I mean, अगर trash bin, like, it's 2 feet away, trash bin में क्यों नहीं डाल सकते? What's the problem? So that's something that I'm very, I don't know, Punjabi aggressive.
But as a celebrity, as an individual, anything that you do on your personal level that adds to the to beautifying the environment.
Of course, my household recycles, and my building decided that recycling was going to be a part of, something that we're doing in the building in Mumbai, which I'm very happy about. And then in the US, I have my, like leaves and trash bin, and then we have a regular trash bin, then we have a plastic trash bin, so we recycle all the time for ourselves.
So what is the first reaction when you came to know that you're going to do this initiative today or at Juggies Park?
I was so excited. I don't know if I have much of a green thumb, but I do love gardening. I do love planting flowers, and the first time I'm planting a tree, so I'm very excited. And it was really easy to say yes, because when you're doing something that's not for yourself, when you're doing something for the planet, you're doing something maybe to teach these little ones right next to you that taking care of, Mother Earth is very important.
Much for coming. Big round of applause for Arshad Warsi.
Any questions for Arshad Warsi? Also most welcome.
अर्शद मुंबई वासियों के लिए कोई संदेश मतलब
आई थिंक ये जो सनी ने कहा वो बहुत अहमियत रखता है। अगर हम लोग जो हम लोग का वेस्ट मैटर है, जो घर से जो सारा गंद जो निकलता है वो अलग अलग कंटेनर्स में डाल दें तो बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी। इतना मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि आई थिंक मोदी जी की मेहरबानी से काफ़ी सफाई हो गई है, बहुत ही विजिबल है। बॉम्बे इस वक्त काफ़ी साफ़ है, सो विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग। बट आई थिंक यही है कि अगर अपने जो जितने गंद है ना फैलाएं, अगर देश को अपने घर के जैसा रखें तो आई थिंक काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा। हम लोग हमारे घर में तो वो सब नहीं करते जो हम लोग देश में करते हैं। घर में तो हम लोग कोई चीज़ उठा के आसपास में नहीं फेंक देते हैं, तो गाड़ी के बाहर क्यों फेंकते हैं? आई थिंक कहीं पे अगर देश को घर जैसा समझेंगे तो ये मेंटली हम लोग ठीक हो जाएंगे। Thank you. There's somebody clapping. Clap, please. Yes. Thank you. Just generally, I just came for this. Yes, please. Hello.
So how would you like to celebrate today? Because it's
I think Asif Bhai is celebrating for all of us. Really, the number of trees he's planting, I don't think we can do it. I can possibly compete with that. But I must tell you that my house is like a jungle. So yeah, I've got too many trees and too many plants. Maria is, I mean, I think she thinks somewhere down the line I'm Tarzan. So we've got lots of trees in the house.
We have Arjun Rampal ji. A huge round of applause for Arjun ji. Welcome, sir. I think people have been hearing us. The media wants to also hear Arjun on his views on environment. He's done a fantastic video for the Bamla Foundation. And now, in a huge round of applause, I give the mic to Arjun Rampal.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's wonderful to be here. Thank you, Asif. Okay, hi, Sunny. How are you doing? Okay, you brought more sun into this place. Okay, and oh, Arshad, how are you, brother? Okay, so it's really nice to be here. And I'm really grateful for the Bamla Foundation to put together such an event where they're planting, I think, 5,000 trees today? 1,000 trees, and that's great. We really need it. I think it's really the hour of what this environment really needs, what this planet really needs. It's an hour of need, and I think we all need to make our difference. And the carbon footprint is increasing. You can see the weather's changing so erratically. And I was recently climbed the Siachen Glacier, and every year that glacier is going down by 1 kilometer. It's melting by 1 kilometer. It's just a 72-kilometer glacier. It's gonna, in maybe another 30 years or 40 years, we won't have that glacier out there. And this is all because of global warming. It's a true thing. No matter what whichever president of whichever country believes. Okay, it is true. Global warming is there. It's a reality, and we got to make a difference.
Manish Malhotra. Thank you, Manish ji, for supporting this endeavor, this cause. Bamla Foundation very grateful, and your thoughts on this tree plantation day.
Well, I think the entire credit of this evening goes to Asif Bamla, because we should clap for him and his Bamla Foundation, because of you we are all here, and I think this is something that we all should be doing, leaving our work, paying attention to our environment, because this is where we live. And of course Bandra is most special to us. We've been Bandraites, we've been living here, and so we're all here. So let's go on for this, and let's plant a lot more trees all over the world. And we have this gorgeous Pooja Batra, who I was hearing on the radio, all the way from America, stunning as ever, always. So welcome, Pooja Batra.
Everybody, Joggers Park is looking more beautiful today. It's more green and more charming, more colorful. Pooja ji, your thoughts? Your thoughts on today's tree plantation drive, please.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Asif, for calling me here. So lovely to see you, Arjun, and nice to meet you, Sunny, and lovely you guys. Mwah. Hi, everybody. We all know. Yay! Hi. Hello. Thank you. Yeah, so my take is that we all know how important trees are in our life, for our planet Earth, for our environment. They combat the climatic change. That's one of the major factors, and I think India can be a pioneer country in planting more trees.